Hello everyone, welcome to Delicious Food Fusion YouTube family. Today I am going to show how to make a simple yet a delicious cheesy bread omelette sandwich. Now, the ingredients we are using is very simple but makes for a very wholesome meal by itself. So, let's get started and check out the recipe. But before that, I would like everyone to please go to YouTube and click on the search bar and type Delicious Food Fusion YouTube channel, and then you can see my icon of my channel. Please click on that and subscribe to my channel and press on the bell button for getting the regular updates. Now let's see what all ingredients we require for making this cheesy bread omelette sandwich. Now please make the list of the ingredients which are displayed on the screen. We require eggs, grated cheese. You can use the ready-made cheese which are available such as Britannia. Now we need the milk bread, tomato sauce, green chilies. You need 3 to 4 green chilies, finely chopped. Coriander leaves, it should be fresh. Salt. And finally, the red chili powder. Now let's get started. Firstly, take the bread slice and put the tomato ketchup on it. Take a spoon and spread the tomato sauce everywhere on the bread slice evenly. You can use either tomato ketchup or tomato sauce, anything is fine. Now once the sauce is spread evenly, take the grated cheese and put them on the bread slice. Take another slice of bread and just cover it on the slice of bread which is already applied with the sauce and the grated cheese. Now I'm doing the similar procedure for the another slice of bread. I'm adding the ketchup and spreading it evenly over the bread slice. Now again I'm using the grated cheese and I'm going to sprinkle it all over the slice. And then take the plain milk bread slice and then close it over it. I've used couple of slices of bread. You can use how much of a bread slices you want. Now that's done. Now take a bowl and crack the egg and pour it. I've used 2 eggs here. I'm adding the second egg. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now mix it well, just blend the egg. Add 3 to 4 finely chopped green chilies. Add 1 cup of coriander leaves. I'm using the spoon. Now mix it well. Just turn the chilies and the coriander leaves well with the egg. In order to prepare the omelette, I'm going to take a pan, heat it and put the oil, and I'm going to pour the egg batter which I've already prepared. Make the omelette in a round shape so that it comes very well. Allow the omelette to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now put oil all over the edges. Now see, you can just take the bread slice and add it on the egg omelette which you have done. The omelette is half and half cooked, it's half boiled now, and then you can evenly cover the bread slice with the omelette and pat it on it. Make all the sides evenly. It should be in a square shape. You can even cut the brown edges of the bread slice if you wish to, or else you can keep it just as it is. Now you can see that I've done it in a square shape very evenly. You can use 2 omelettes, one on the bottom and one on the top of the bread. Here I've used only 1 omelette. Now when you flip it over, the bread slice looks like this. Now I'm adding the second set of omelette to the second slice of bread. See, you have to take the omelette from the sides and you have to pat it over the bread slice so that it gets stuck and it doesn't come out. Do it very evenly and very slowly. Now see, when you flip it, it comes in a very neat square shape. Now the delicious cheesy bread omelette is ready to eat. Serve it with a plate along with the sauce so that the taste is delicious. I hope you all enjoyed today's cheesy bread omelette recipe. If you have liked our cheesy bread omelette sandwich recipe, please hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel and share the videos as much as possible. It's a kind request. Now please click on the Delicious Food Fusion icon which you can see on the screen and visit the channel. Click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon for getting the regular updates, and you can see the videos which are being displayed on the screen. Thank you. Have a nice day.